Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders. And then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is rejecting to the upside a quite strong historical monthly demand and support zone. In fact, from here, all these previous rejections to the upside were created every single time the market tested this zone. We saw a strong rejection higher, and in all this period, there is only once in which the market broke below the zone, which was right here, but that anyway ended up being a fake breakout because we saw the break below immediately break back above, and the market then continued respecting this area as support. And right now, we saw again the test and rejection to the upside, again with strong institutional buying. And we will speak about this institutional buying in just a few moments when we move to the COT analysis. But for now, let's keep this in mind and zoom in into the most recent price action. Now, what we can notice here is that lately the market has been respecting this and rejecting every single time this area of monthly demand and support. We can see how the first time we had the impulse to the upside, the market corrected this zone and rejected to the upside. This showed that there was strong interest in this area on the buy side of the market. Then again, the market retested, rejection higher, again retest and rejection higher. So in this kind of situation, what you would expect is again to see more bullish price action away from this zone. Now, dropping down on the weekly time frame, what we can see is that we just got another break of structure. In fact, if we look closely, we can see how this area that again, as we saw previously, was acting as support, again held the market here. We had a double bottom, and here we had the previous high. The market with this push to the upside broke above the previous high. So if you're having a bearish market, so the market is creating lower lows and lower highs, then you have a double bottom and a break above. That is an inversion of trend. After that, what you expect is higher highs and higher lows. So it is basically a shift of trend from a, in this case, weekly bearish market to a weekly bullish market, with the double bottom being the reversal pattern. So also here on the weekly, everything looks quite bullish. Let's keep that in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, we have a strong impulse to the upside. Now, after this impulse, I made a full breakdown of EURUSD and explained all the reasons for which from here I was expecting a rejection lower. And in fact, that is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in description that previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Well, before we dig deeper, first, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders. So what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we are looking at the data for the euro, we are already looking at EURUSD because that is already how the data is reported. And what we can see is that with the last report, we saw a huge shift. We went from a negative net positioning with minus 7.5k net positions, which means that we had more shorts than longs. We had in fact 208k shorts compared to only 200k longs, all the way up to now having a very positive net positioning to a 26k net positions with 13,600 longs added just with the last report and 19,800 shorts getting closed. So institutions are now adding longs and closing shorts on the euro, therefore on EURUSD, making it stronger. And if we look here at the percentage long, we're currently sitting at 27%. This means that there is a 27% exposure to the big institutional speculator side compared to the overall long exposure. And this reading helps you understand if the market is overcrowded in that direction. So in this case, 27%, we have to compare it with the averages of this reading. We can see that the market even went to 33%. So 27% is definitely not overcrowded, and this means that there is definitely the possibility to see even more institutional buying, since already in the past we have seen more institutional buying, even all the way up to more than 34%. Okay, so there is definitely room. Let's keep all of this in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation here in the daily, we have the impulse. Now the market is providing the correction. Now, if we look closely, we can see that all this zone here, this is a strong demand and support zone. It was the previous resistance. If we extend it to the past, we can see that also in the past, it was acting as quite important structure, both support and resistance. So if the market will correct into this zone, we also have the Fibonacci levels, which if we take from the low to the high, will show us how we have the 0.32 already at this level, 50% just below it. So all this zone is stacked with many horizontal confluence of demand and support zone, which means that there is the possibility inside of here to see even more institutional buying. So if the market will correct to this area as it is doing, what would I expect? Well, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection higher away from the zone for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you go and check out the mentorship program. You find the link in description, because all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, here you have the possibility to gain access to my complete courses from A to Z, teaching everything that I have learned in many years of experience in the market. You also have the possibility to gain directly one-on-one private mentoring with me. Is already part of the program, so you always have access to me. You gain access to the same exact COT data software that you see me share here in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to get access to a full live stream coming directly from my account. So you see me trade live every day as the day is progressing. All the orders are as they are opened, closed, managed, all in real time. And you also have the possibility to gain access to all my EAs. So essentially all the strategies that I already run in my account. You find here also a full 10 years back test of all my strategies. And if you continue to scroll down past the testimonials, you will see that you have an easy way to gain access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout process, fully automated. And I will see you inside the student dashboard, and you will have access to my personal number. So make sure you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.